Hi everyone, this is Gokhan. I'm a realtor in New Jersey. Today I would like to share an open house tour with you. Would you like to join me? Stay tuned. Let's start. A gorgeous house for sale. Let's tour together. This one is multifamily house and it has 300 square feet space. It's nice and it's recently renovated, so we can say that it's brand new. First, I would like to show you its backyard. Can you see that? It's huge. This is a really nice area for private dining, partying. Can you see that? It's really nice. Let's look at the house from the back side. Cooling system. It's completely brand new. It's a nice deck. And separate entrance to the basement, so you can build it up and you can lease it separately. Let's get into the house together. This door goes to the basement. No, it's not it doesn't go to the basement. It is closed just. Let's go to the upstairs. Huge dining room, and it's a completely renovated, brand new kitchen. One bedroom, another bedroom. There's a space for washer and dryer. One full bath here. And this is the master bedroom. Comes with full bath, and all the items are brand new. And this one is the walk-in closet. Would you like to see the kitchen one more time? Yes, I know you like it so much. And there's another closet. This is nice. Let's go look upstairs. Cooling system is very efficient. There's a half bathroom. This is really nice undivided hall. Let's look at the backyard from the top. Wow. Can you see the huge backyard? Nice, really nice. This house is a multi-family house, so it has 3 different units, including basement, but you can separate this unit into 2 different parts, so you can also lease the top one. Let's look at the other unit. Just a second, I'm gonna open it up. Just here. I really like this kind of decks in the houses. Really nice and safe area for your kids playing around the house. This entrance goes to the basement. One bedroom here. There's a closet. Let's look at. Yeah, it's a nice closet. And another bedroom, closet, and one full bath. Let's check. This is the master bathroom. Here opens to the deck. And comes with full bath. And one more walk-in closet. Ladies love it. I also would like to show basement, because basement has separate entrance, and as you see, separate entrance, and it's a really nice area. You can divide this basement into different rooms, then you can lease it again. So there's a huge area to lease it.